you seen Jimmy's mom? Have you seen her?
I saw that one video you got raped by Michael Jackson.
I'm Karen's boyfriend.
Oh man, I have to be Karen. Hold on, wait. Bonjour.
Ugh. Ugh, I can't say. Patrick.
Well, maybe you turn up your fucking eyes.
Shut up, Carl! That's why you got raped by Michael Jackson!
Shut up, your Uncle touches
He was
you in your
innocent.
sleep. Hey, Mom, when Auntie Karen gets here.
I'm talking to him.
Him, that bitch is a her.
I'm a female. Your body. Hold on. Alright, I'm back.
Oh, I'm gonna do more than that.
Don't look behind you.
Hey, how about you sit down.
I see me.
Okay?
Okay, take my dick out of the refrigerator.
Don't do drugs, kids.
Of course, she let's again.
She broke something.
What the?
I broke the dick! I broke the dick!
Jeez, that's the last time I try that.
Michael Jackson's coming for me now.
Karen?
Shit.
Where have you been?
Huh? Oh, don't worry about it, Leslie.
Pew, 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 pew,
Oh my god! Shut up, Carl!
I do.
Oh my god! You haven't been drinking again, drinking and driving again, have you not?
What? No, I haven't done that in weeks. I mean, years.
My head hurts.
Oh, that?
This is my new boyfriend, Jimmy. Go on, say hi, honey.
So do I get my God damn 5, 6, 3, 2, 5, 4,
Don't do
7,
drugs, kids.
$5 now or later.
Shh. Hey, shut up about that.
It's about to be where I'm at. What the fuck?
Welcome to my lovely home. Come in and have a seat. Have a seat. Sit down.
Okay,
Dinner
okay,
will be ready
the dinner.
soon.
Okay.
Don't sit on my face. We're in public.
on your face. I'll sit.
You're my sister. Oh my god. It's not that kind of show. It's not that kind of show.
Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Mom.
Damn.
Don't get too excited, Jimmy. It's my sister. Whose freaking line is it?
I'm gonna get real excited.
Who the fuck is it? Whose line is it? It's not mine. No.
Did my dumbass only have one
Sit down at
line?
dinner table. Okay, I did it.
Already done that already. Damn.
Dinner's ready.
What
Putting
the
it back on the
fuck?
table.
Oh, Dick, my favorite.
Yeah, man, you fucking favorite more.
Oh my god, you are so high. Shh.
Karen, can I say my line?
Say it.
Oh, Karen. It's been so long since I actually asked Joy.
Eats food. I don't know. What are you up to these days, Pipsqueak?
Shut up.
You know, I played tennis when I was young too.
I didn't ask.
Right? What are these lines? Oh.
Your sister was the pro athlete.
Don't eat Jimmy under the table. That's my boyfriend. Ugh. Hey, it's not my fault they couldn't handle a little roughness, okay? Jimmy, could you chill? I mean, you're not the audience. You're an amazing audience, but you're not the audience right now.
Okay.
Can you mute your mic? You're laughing too much.
Okay.
Thank you, Dad.
You're hilarious, though, kid.
Well, who's fucking lying?
I don't fucking know. Line.
Say your line already.
I guess we just sit here in silence like an actual family.
Somebody press the jump button just to see if it's you.
Whose parents are going going through divorce?
I'm really old, so.
Did I ask you, old fuck?
You said who? You asked who? You asked the general. Listen, bitch, eat your food. Little Jimmy, eat your salad. Eat it.
I'll eat my dick.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Eat your own dick. Do I need to go push the button? Do we not know who's talking? Okay.
Cause I'm not in my lines yet.
Tonight I
Okay.
want to jerk you off. Yeah.
Shut.
Okay.
Anyways, Jimmy, how long
It's
you
alright.
been with my sister?
Chokes on food.
Oh, we started dating
choking on
about a
dick.
month ago. She met me at my workplace.
Less
and
is
we
more.
really seemed to hit it off.
Yeah, he can't really read, but you know, he doesn't need to.
She has a black eye.
Damn.
Shh.
Go sit down.
Yeah, sit down and eat dick.
I can't sit down with this fucking black man in my fucking face.
Here. Carl, come sit in my chair. Come sit in my chair.
You want to sit on Carl's lap, don't you?
What?
Oh my
For
God,
legal reasons,
Carl,
I'm leaving
I'll put you
immediately.
on
No.
timeout.
Damn.
Okay. Oh, they work?
What?
What the hell?
What is happening in this play?
McDonald's. It's a decor. It's a what the? Decent rest. Fucking job. A decent job.
Carl, we're never
Hey,
getting
how's
out
it
of this.
going? Didn't you work at McDonald's once, you broke bitch?
Sure did, but they fired me after they caught me gooning in the bathroom.
I believe it.
Canned laughter, canned laughter, canned laughter.
Wait. Karen, that is not the time. You're not supposed to talk about that when the children are around.
You're serving dick. Anyway, what? I was just answering the kid's question.
Yeah, I'll let her answer my fucking question, Mom.
My nephew gets me.
Still,
You and
don't
Dad
talk
said
about this.
worse. You and Dad said worse. You talking about how you
I learned it from you, Mom. I learned it from you. Sorry, come sit.
Don't come out.
He takes after me.
I hate him. I wish he was bored. I wish I slaughtered.
Well, then maybe close your legs for once.
Go back to your room. You walk through the walls.
Oh shit!
Yeah, stick to the bit.
To talk about that. Some.
I'm gonna slam.
Hey, Carl.
Sheesh, you're so sensitive.
You dumb whore.
Oh my gosh, you're so sensitive, sis.
Slam in my fucking.
I'm trying to read my lines. Shut the hell up and go away.
I wish you were swallowed, Mom.
I'm shutting the door on you. Slam. Okay, back to the lines. Jeez, you're so sensitive, sis. I bet your man would be fine with me telling that story.
Ooh.
Oh.
Nah.
Oh, you got told.
No, he wouldn't.
You're a little close. Speaking of which, where's your husband anyways?
Damn.
Getting pegged.
He's somewhere.
Carl, shut up. You're go to bed. I appreciate you, Carl, but go to bed.
What the fuck happened to him?
Why are you flying? Carl, get out of the attic. We're trying to do a play. Whose line is it?
Not mine, probably Carl's.
Carlson's. Really? Are you sure about that? Says my line to whoever was talking last.
What? What do you mean by that?
You're upside down.
What do you mean?
I mean, you sure it's a business trip your husband is on?
Ignore fucking Carmen and stick to your
You
line.
don't have, you idiot. Wait, Slam. You.
I wish I had arms.
Are you still talking?
Are these plastic
about
forks?
We grew up a certain way, Jimmy. Hey, you said it, not me, by the way.
Why the hell are the leads not connected?
Carl, get the fuck
I
out!
made a mistake. I made a mistake. I used the cat to wipe my ass.
Get the. Okay. Go on. Go to bed. Take the cat with you.
Damn,
I am so done with you. You're every year which I try to be nice to you at dinner, you throw it into my face. Every year.
You wanna go? You wanna fucking go? Oh, sorry. Screw it up, you're the one who can't even take a joke. Like your husband. It's a fucking joke.
You know what? Get out!
Sisters!
Get out!
But.
God damn.
Fine. I didn't even want to come here in the first place. Your food tastes terrible anyways. I'm gonna go eat at McDonald's.
Damn. Can I get my 500, 5, 6, 3, 2, 5, 4, 7, 5 now?
Carl, you gotta chill. You gotta let the lines flow or else we're gonna be stuck on the stage forever.
Jimmy would just go the way the sun keep on coming out. I would just laugh, try not to laugh. I had to mute my mic to laugh. And plus, I see a fucking oiled up Kermit in the audience, so I try not to laugh
I
at that.
oiled him up. I'm the one who oiled him up.
It's mucus, dear.
Unless I was an oiled up Kermit.
He's a frog. It's mucus, dear.
Man, fuck the mucus.
What's he do? Give him sloppy toppy?
The hell?
What to you?
Oh, hello, dear.
What to you now?
What are you talking about?
Yo now.
What's wrong with Grandma? You don't like Grandma?
That made me laugh so much. I never knew I laughed that much. Carl, don't do it. Like, damn, like in the script, I would just try not to laugh.
I mean, it's good. It's good to improvise like that and make it funny. I was just like, wait, I can't get through any lines.
Going time out and stuff. I was just laughing at.
Now, Carl, mind your mother. You're
Guys, the show style's going off. Overalls are going
you're so you're so like your father.
Yeah, I mean, I bet you would say that, you dirty whore. You don't even know who my father is.
Well, you're my grandson. Your father is my son. Now who has dementia? Take that, little Billy.
Daddy's secret.
Oh dear.
To infinity in Jimmy's mom's house.
Bruh, and the worst part, Carl said, you don't even know my dad. And also it said Daddy's secret.
Daddy's secret is Carl.
I am Daddy. And I know the secret.
And how the fuck did that thing and another thing make
Yeah,
him
you were shot in
Carl?
the neck.
Hello, Tinky Winky. I see you're living your full, authentic self these
I
days.
think ever since Teletubbies got canceled, everyone was, fuck, why am I an actor again?
Break a leg, everyone. Oops, I'm stuck.
I'm gonna be the child. Let me be the father. I want to be